A few quick details about the condo we're going to be seeing today. It is super spacious, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 145 square meters or 1,560 square feet. This condo is located in Las Iguanas. We're looking straight down a beach access road. Las Iguanas is on a corner and it's not even a half block to the beach, so fantastic location. Really close to the beach, close to the town square. You're about an 8-minute walk north of the town square, so right in the heart of the downtown. Las Iguanas is only 2 buildings with just 6 units, so it's a really intimate complex. Each of the units are their own floor, so windows all the way around, no next door neighbors, and really feels like the privacy of a home. This is the common area. You'll see the pool. Got a great pool for just the 6 units. And now we're going to be at the 3rd floor, headed to this unit. This is a penthouse unit, and we're going to take a look inside. This particular condo, again, the word is spacious. This is great if you're thinking about living in Puerto Morelos as a snowbird or full-time. It is definitely a comfortable size for full-time living. Full-size dining room, the laundry with washer, dryer, and storage just off the dining room there. We'll get a closer look at that in a moment. Lots of kitchen countertop space, lots of kitchen cupboards, and this really nice open floor plan that really makes things light and bright. Again, you don't have any next door neighbors, so you've got windows all the way around, so just tons of natural light. Really great sized kitchen. This condominium is adorable, and it comes exactly as you see it. Totally turnkey. Here's a quick look inside that storage room, laundry. Lots of built-in shelving there. Always handy in a condo to have storage, right? So this particular floor plan is really great for guests. You're gonna come up to the landing here, and you're gonna see that on the left, we've got the master bedroom. On the right, we have the guest bedroom, and we also have a full bath just outside the guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is really large. Those are 2 double beds. You can also do 2 queen beds in this bedroom. The advantage of being on the top floor is what you see here. You know, this gorgeous cathedral ceiling. Lots of space and light. Looks out onto the balcony. You've got your closets. And then what we're going to take a look at here is you have direct access from the guest bedroom into the main bath. So that main bath has a Jack and Jill entrance for the convenience of your guests. Beautiful main bath, Roman shower. This condo has an incredible master suite. You know, these beautiful plantation style shutters that are for your balcony, tons of closet space, really good sized master suite. And then you also have the ensuite master bath. Double vanity, great tub, a real tub. This beautiful feature in tile and in the beamwork. And completing our look at the master bath, we've got the double vanity and the master shower. I want to thank you for coming on our virtual showing with us in this awesome condominium. Please contact us at Mayan Riviera Properties, and we are more than happy to give you a live tour.